In this video I'm just going to walk you through some of the features of Rank Recon and give you a brief overview of what Rank Recon is all about. So here on the home page you'll notice that down here there's a thing that says linking at a glance, and this is basically just like a linking cheat sheet. It's a good reference point for what's been working well for us in SEO at this time. Obviously there's different linking strategies that are required for different markets and keywords, but this is a good starting point to get a general grasp of things. So we just kind of give a brief overview here, just different tips and ideas of what's working now and well for us. Okay, so if we go up here to the competition analysis feature, it's the main backbone of Rank Recon. This is where you can gather all of the linking intel for your target keywords as well as your top competitors. It's the best way to see what your competition is doing differently than you. You can actually try to emulate their linking strategies and further increase your Google rankings. So to get started, what you just need to do is enter the keyword that you're trying to rank for here and then the target keyword here. So for example, if we have a keyword of how to train your dog, and if my target URL is something like this, then I would just enter that here. Just to note, this is not my website, I'm just using this as an example. And then we'll click on search, and the report's going to be generated and viewable from the area down here at the bottom. Now once a report's generated, which can sometimes take up to 20 to 30 seconds since there's a lot of data that needs to be gathered and compiled, it'll show up down here. And just as a side note, you can generate multiple reports at the same time. Each will just be added to the queue, and when one finishes the next one will start, and you'll be able to review those reports while your queue is still processing other reports. So for example, if we wanted to create a different report for something like that, we can create one there, or let's say we have one, we can do that. So it'll just continually create new reports, add them to the queue, and when one's finished the other one will start. And let's just go ahead and move a little further, and when we click on the view report page you'll be able to see a few different things. The first thing that I want to point out is your current SEO difficulty rating for this specific keyword. With our SEO difficulty rating formula, we basically check several different SEO factors, things like competitor backlink counts, page rank, on-page keyword factors, total competition for the keyword, and other off-page SEO data. Then we plug that data into our formula and out pops this number. Essentially, the lower the number, the easier it is to rank at the top of Google for that keyword. So yellow would basically be deemed a medium difficulty ranking keyword, and green would be an easy keyword, and then red is usually the most difficult. And then here you obviously see your current rank for this domain for this keyword. The second thing to point out on this page is the link density and the link metrics areas. To learn more about the link density, you can just click on this "What's this?" link and it'll give you a pop-up with more descriptions. Below this is the link metrics for your target URL, which in this case was this one up here. Below that is a summary of the link metrics for all of the top 10 competitors in Google for that specific keyword. You can view the details of a specific site to dive deeper into the anchor text and link densities of that site, or you can even do side-by-side comparisons with your site and the top competitor site. Each of these options will give you a lot of data that you can quickly use to analyze your competition and develop a linking strategy to outrank them, or at the very least figure out how they're linking and try to emulate it to increase your own rankings. As you can tell, there's a massive amount of SEO data available with Rank Recon that you can use to help increase your rankings and traffic. So with that said, go ahead and jump right in and get started. If you have any other technical support questions, please just go up here and click on support. It'll take you to our support desk where you can submit a new ticket, and we'd be glad to help you out. Thanks a lot.